How you doing, guys? This is Josh from Kingdom DTF. Welcome one more time to the channel. If this is your first time stopping by, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and also click the bell notification so that way you know when we got new videos out there. So guys, this short video today is to show you here the new films that is coming out to the market. It's coming really slow, but they're continue doing testing over there, and we're going to do also testing here. So if you can see, this is a new film that is coming out, and it's a glitter film. So it's for DTF, and you see all of the glitter that got the film. So basically what you do is you print on this film the same way you do your normal DTF. As you can see, you print it and then you melt the powder, and then your design is going to stay with that glitter, okay? And you're going to be able to press it on a shirt and also sell this type of transfer to your customers, okay? Now we are in the middle right now on testing how this is going to be looking on a white shirt, also on a black shirt, and we're going to continue making more videos about it because the film is basically new to the market. So the film basically what they doing is when they do the coating, right? Because you know that the DTF films got the base to hold the inks, so they also do a second coating that is going to have the glitter, and the film also need to be able to hold the same inks that everyone is using. So that's why we need to, you know, do the testing and watch them and see how they come, if it's good or not. So this is just a few samples, and to be honest, the way I'm looking at it doesn't look bad, to be honest. Some people like this type of effect, especially if they're doing transfers with vinyl, that many people use the glitter transfers, people like them. So this is something that is going to be new with the DTF, and I think it's going to be awesome. So let's try to focus just a little bit in the design here, so we can see all of this is glitter. So I'm not sure if my cam is capturing that with the light, if it's looking glitter or not, but the way I see it, it looks like something happened to the transfer, right? But it's not. I mean, we got here also some samples for the brand with the shirt size, and then we got the gold hands and the silver hands over here. So yeah, it's something new. It's something new, definitely something that once this is coming, you know, completely out to the market, really completely out to the market, the people are going to be able to see and do DTF transfers with glitter. The cool about this is that it's going to be full color, as you see here. It's going to be full colors also. So they just only send me the same samples over and over. They didn't send anything else, but again, we got extra films, you know, just the film with glitter, and we're going to be doing transfers and doing videos about it, and we go to personal shirts, and at the same time we're going to be watching that shirt to see how it's, you know, hold the inks, or if the glitter is going to come out or not. Okay guys, so yeah, so that's about it. I mean, this is a short video again, just to show you the glitter that people start asking about it. And I got to say here, I got to mention that once this is tested, for sure there's going to be many people buying this type of films, because the same way that the vinyl, heat vinyl for shirts, their glitters sells well, then this one is going to be selling even better, because you're going to be able to use or produce full color transfers like you see in here. And the cool stuff is about the white too. You know, you can see the glitter also in the white. To be honest, I was going to think that it was not going to show, but it's showing the white too. So let me try. Yeah, the way I'm moving this, it's not catching too much, to be honest. So let me see the white. Yeah, you can see it there, just a little bit. So yeah, I think the better result is going to be once we press these on shirts and see how they're going to come out, and all of that, to make sure that it's working properly. All right, guys. So thank you so much, guys, to be part of this DTF community here at Kingdom DTF. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel on YouTube, go to the Facebook group, and you can be part of this community. We got 14,000 members there that, you know, they can answer questions and help you in any way. Here in YouTube, I always, you know, reading messages and reply messages to anyone that need help. Also, you know, if you write us an email or something like that, you know, the team is there to answer you back the fastest way as possible. Okay, guys. So thank you so much, guys. My name is Josh from Kingdom DTF. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and as always, keep printing. Thank you so much, guys. See ya.